Alright guys, we're on our way to Tampa right now, 3-hour drive. My little brother bought the rear hatch for the Porsche. Our boy Raul picked it up, so big shout out to him. And I'll see you guys in Tampa. Guys, we just made it to Tampa. This is my boy Raul's truck. Sexy as hell. My cousin Jen's Yukon. And then the Charger, he got it in the garage. Jose, and that's the hatch. There it is, baby. He picked that up for us, man. Big shout out to Raul. Brand new, like literally, yeah, little scratches on it, but the truck has to get repainted, but no dents. What you think? Come on, I got my guy Raul on the grill.
I don't do too much in the kitchen, but on that black stone,
It's my boy Raul, man.
what I do.
Family right here.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, we're headed back to Jack's now with my little brother. We got the hatch. Big shout out to Genevieve and Raul. Love you guys, and catch us when we're installing it.
Perfect.
We got the new hatch right here. The old one's right here. This thing got hit hard, but nothing that can't be fixed. My little brother and my dad already took out all the wiring harness, and we got to take this wiring harness off because my dad disconnected it from the inside. So let's see, but this is gonna look so much better when we put it on. All right, guys, we got the rear hatch on. We just tightening up the bolts. My little brother's tightening up the bolts over there. We'll see when we put it down. I haven't showed this yet, guys, but she is bent right here. This is why this fender is off. Also, the fender was bent, so we sent it to get fixed. But yeah, she's bent right here, and we're gonna pull it a little bit, but we're working on the back first. But man, when this thing gets done, she's gonna be a beast. Very, very powerful truck.
Perfect.
All right, we're upside down, but my little brother and I got all the connections where they need to go, and everything is looking pretty good. What do you think, Jose?
Finally, almost done.
Yep.
Okay, yo no estaba esto es one light, the other light.
Oh my God.
Connect the button. Close it. Just close it with your hands. Close it harder. It's closed. Damn, look at that fitment. That shit opens so hard.
Nigga, esto es la cara para abajo, esto.
Yeah.
Pero eso nada más. Pero ver cómo sigue saliendo.
Oh shit, I'm about to trip. Success. Not perfect, but we're gonna get it.
That's crazy, nigga.